Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to mark as read on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to mark as read on Telegram, first open up a Telegram app, and you can see guys there are a lot of messages over here. Now in order to mark as read on Telegram on this inbox section of the Telegram chats, you'll be required to tap and hold on the message which you have not read, and after tapping and holding, a green tick mark will appear at the left side of the profile picture. And when that green tick mark appears at the top right corner of the screen, the three-dotted icon will be available as well. Tap on that three-dotted icon at the top right, and you can see guys mark as read option is available for us, which is the second one, and tap on mark as read, and that will be marked as read on Telegram. You can apply the same process for any messages you have not written but you want to mark as read. So for example, let's tap on the Telegram notification and hold on it. When the green tick mark appears, tap on the three-dotted icon at the top right, and there is the mark as read option again. That being done guys, this is how to mark as read on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.